Hey guys, Sonance here, back for another video. In this video, we're gonna make this Mr Belt Wezol kind of stop drop. So the final result will sound like this. So now let's dive into presets. It's sounding like this. So first we're gonna make a lead sound. And by the way, if on this preset and 50 more other presets in the style selected and future house, make sure to check future selection for him too. In the preset pack, you'll get 50 more other presets to make this kind of music. So we're gonna select the presets. First of all, I'm gonna go for the basic shapes and put it all the way up. 2 octaves down, some unisons, detune a bit down, and shape envelope 2 like this, with some release and no sustain, and some more attack. Now we're gonna route it to detune, sounding like this. Then we're gonna shape as B, basic shapes, and we're gonna go for the triangle with 2 unisons, and some envelope to the detune as well. Then lower down 1 octave. Then we're gonna route envelope 2 to the level, sounding like this. It's a bit too much attack, so lower it a bit down. And now we're gonna shape the filter. So we're gonna go for the low 12 with envelope 2 to the cutoff to around here. Some drive, fatness. Then I'm gonna shade them on the legato, always put the window a bit up. Just make it slide a bit more. And that's it for us lasers. So now let's dive into effects. First of all, we're gonna add a hyperdimension. Shape it something like this. Then some distortion. We're gonna use the diode too. This will give that kind of analog sounding effect. So I'll add envelope 2 to the drive to around here. Then we're gonna add some OTT to shape the sound a bit more. You can hear this will really brings out the highs of the sounds. Then we're gonna give some more chorus. Gives this kind of effect. Give it a high pass filter and mix around here. And then the last thing we're gonna do is add some EQ. So we're gonna add a low cut with envelope 2 to the cutoff. And we're gonna bring out the highs a bit more. We're routing envelope 2 to the gain. Sounding like this. It's a bit distorting, so lower the master volume. And to the stuff, I'm gonna give some reverb and delay. So shape it something like this. And that's the lead, so now we're gonna make a bass line. So now we're gonna dive into the bass preset. It sounds like this. So select the preset. Go for basic shapes. The square wave. Lower down 2 octaves. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna go for the sound wave. We're gonna stick to the basic wave tables. Then we're gonna select FM from B and shape envelope 2 like this, with no sustain, with release, and some attack. Otherwise it will sound strange with the lead synth. So I'll envelope 2 to the FM modulation. So we'll give some more characters to the bass line. Then we're gonna shape the filter. So we're gonna go for the low 24, all the way down, and route envelope 2 to it. Some drive, fatness. Then we're gonna shape envelope 1. It's kind of the same as envelope 2, but with some more sustain and some release. Then the last thing we're gonna do is add some more punch to the bass line by routing envelope 3 to the chorus pitch. Sounding like this. And that's it for the oscillator, so now let's dive into effects. First of all, hyperdimension. some dimension to open up the bass a bit more. Then some tube distortion. Actually, we're gonna leave it like this. Then we're gonna add some OTT. Sounding like this. Then some filtering, low 24. Cutoff around here, and route envelope 2 to the cutoff. Then we're gonna add some drive and fatness. And to finish it off, we're gonna add some reverb and delay to the top end of the bass line. So it's like a low cut for the reverb and delay, and mix it in properly, sounding like this. It's clipping a bit, so lower down the master, and together with the lead, it sounds like this. So the final result sounds like this. And that's it. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you see more, hit that subscribe button, and I see you all in the next videos.